here I'm going to make a hedgehog nest for the winter, and so far that I know we don't have any hedgehogs here, but maybe it's because it's not any good places to sleep around here for hedgehogs. So I'm clearing out this little area here, and then I'm going to add some leaves and branches and just keep watching, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. If you don't subscribe to this channel, please do, and I'm going to be really happy if you like the video as well. So now I have a good pile of leaves, and they're not totally dry, but they're not very wet either. And I'm going to cover with some branches so they don't blow away during the winter. And I have lots of branches that are, well, they're kind of rotten or half rotten, and they're perfect because the insects will like them as well. So I'm putting them on top, and then in the end it's going to be just a pile of rotten debris, and it's good for all the insects and hedgehogs and birds as well. So I'm keeping those. So I think my hedgehog nest is done. Let us see. You don't really notice it if you don't know what it is. It's just a big pile of stuff, leaves and branches on top, and if there are any hedgehogs in the area, they will be able to dig into this pile and make themselves a nice winter home. And it wouldn't hurt to make a bigger pile, but this year I don't have so many leaves, so that will have to wait for next year. So have you made a hedgehog nest or a hedgehog house? Please leave a comment. See you. Bye.